Vashon personnel and equipment on fast base safety areas. Advise on initial contact to give information X-ray.
Just like whatever. Going around, Cessna 6378 Mike at landmark 3, information X-ray for Vashon departure.
So 6378 Mike, going around, runway 13 right, taxi via Alpha.
13 right via Alpha, Cessna 78 Mike. Street.
Okay, cool.
Continue 9 Legion.
Jet speed 375, runway 13 right, clear for takeoff, wind 310 at 3.
Clear for takeoff, 13 right, jet speed 375. Going to Cessna 6378 Mike, holding short 13 right for Vashon departure, requesting early turnout.
Jet speed 375, contact tail departure, have a safe flight.
Jet departure, jet speed 375.
Cessna 9517 off, crossway Germans departed, Gulfstream off the parallel, runway 13 left, clear for takeoff, valley departure approved. 6378 Mike, traffic 4 mile final, Learjet, runway 13 right, clear for takeoff, early right turn approved for the Vashon.
13 right, cleared for takeoff, early turnout, 70 Mike.
Learjet 229 Limjet, runway 13 right, to land, traffic departing priority arrival, on a right downwind.
Yeah, so land on 13 right, 229 Limjet.
Pop, Roger, traffic departing. Taxi 603 Romeo Foxtrot, Boeing Tower, Roger, traffic landing.
Speed is alive, engines in the green.
Cessna 4360 Foxtrot, on upwind straight out, traffic off the parallel of the Vashon, runway 13 left, clear to take off, left clear traffic.